everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Got a lot of things to cover today. Did a lot of things today. Steven was gone sick, so luckily I had a ton of things to work on and didn't really need any directions. So went ahead and started down here in the morning and then quickly moved upstairs when we learned that they were going to sheetrock tomorrow, so we had to get some stuff out of the walls that's getting hard lid tomorrow. But anyways, came back down here and worked, and I had my apprentice, let's just call him TJ, had TJ upstairs working on the boxes upstairs, and I came up to help him after I finished down here. But like I said, I had to get a few things done down here. I put the home runs into the power box right here, into the J box, got the last, we got the last 5 data stubs out, poking out here, I got that done right before they wanted to sheetrock, as they were just one siding for the sheetrock. Got these 90s just stubbed out, one on the right, one between these 2 pipes above the light, and then we have another one here on the left. So there's 2 on this side, and then there's 3 on the other side, the side with no sheetrock. So got those hanging, got all that taken care of, and then I went upstairs to help TJ. So they got these sheetrocked. They did nick one of the wires, the neutrals. They did nick one of the wires when they were routing out the box hole, so I'll have to get that fixed later probably. And I just threw up the flex on top of the light to get it out of the way. Moving on, these are the boxes we were talking about for more fire alarm smoke devices. This is going to be a hard lid ceiling. This is just a grid to hang the sheetrock. So I worked on the bathroom one that you just saw. We probably have to put a couple bushings on there because we didn't get to that. But we're just trying to get out of here ASAP. So we got TJ hanging that one. I was starting to work on this one, but they have to drop the ceiling 3 inches for some reason. So that's the only one that we didn't get done because we couldn't get it done. So that's the first 2. There's 5 rooms, 5 exam rooms, and the bathroom. So you saw the bathroom. You saw the first exam room, which is done. The second exam room is not done. This is the 3rd exam room right here, just going straight out. Got a few different options here, basically just spreader bar with the box, and then I was kind of just doing a spreader bar for my support for the pipe. I tried to do a little pipe clamp right here, but it was a 3/4 size, so I just did a spreader bar on top of that and didn't take it out because I didn't want to take it apart. There's my stub, and then TJ mounted another box over here with a ginormous offset. I'm not sure why he did such a big offset, but he got this one done right here, and that wraps up the 5 exam rooms. From there, we went ahead and got the fire alarm jumper from that PedFlex that you just saw around the corner, mounted some J-hooks, and then mounted a easy path right here above the door. Might need another strap here on the left, but it is code fulfilled or whatever. So we got the easy path mounted right there with our 2 firewires going through the NAC and the SLC. And we do still need to strap the 3/4 flexes up there. Didn't have any 1-inch straps, but we got those pulled into the room where they belong, got them into the smoke box and into the strobe chime box right there on the bottom left. So I got those 2 taken care of. And then lastly, we went over to the EMS entry, and this wire was already pulled, but I tied these 2 through right here for testing purposes later. So tied the circuit through right there for the chimes, and then TJ went ahead and worked on tying in the T-tap right here, the 3 bundles for the smokes, the 1 wire running to the left, the other wire coming in and out. So this giant roll of wire. There is 3 SLCs for the smokes and 2 for the NAC. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. I'd appreciate it. And hopefully Steven's back tomorrow. Missed him. It was a good day though. I got some really great news for Thursday, possibly the greatest news in a whole 9 months. I've been waiting for this day. If everything goes right, I will keep you updated. I'm going to leave you on a cliffhanger, though, so hopefully we got some great news for Thursday. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then you might know if everything goes through. Anyways, I can't wait for Thursday. and gonna accomplish some great things in April. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.